Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday, May 11th, 2024. And we have three puzzles done. Yes, the 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, and the 4 stars binary. So one puzzle is left. The Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one will be number 8516. 8516. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So I think it's a 0 stars. Or maybe a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 0 stars, 14 or maybe 13 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. How about dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes in this puzzle. How about triple boxes then? Let me check for triple boxes. No triple boxes. How about quadra boxes then? We have here a quadra box, there a quadra box, and here a quadra box. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Well, this box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. A 4. Alright. Here another one. Upside down. This box is the same number as that box. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Only 3 of them. Alright. Then the following shape. How about... Oh, overlook this quadra box. Another quadra box here. Well, these 3 boxes, round one can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be there. This box can be 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the only place left for 2 in this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay. And we have 1 shape left in this puzzle. This shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, we have only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surrounding 4 can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Then, let me see. Well. These 3 boxes surrounding 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Then. These 2 boxes can be a... Oh, wait. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4, okay. Then, this box can be 1, this box can be 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. But, well, I don't think the 4 should be here because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for 4 in this area is supposed to be here. And this box is connected with that box, so it will be also a 4. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. These two boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, 1 and 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. So 1 box left in this area for number 1. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, these two boxes can be 1, so the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, we have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. I've marked those two boxes here with 1. We have 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright, and now. Then 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. Then, let me see. Well. Come on. 1, 3. I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be a 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be a 4. We have a 4 in the same area. And can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Okay. Then these two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Let me mark those. 1 and 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 1 and 3. But we already have a 1 here in the same area. So this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and 3. We have 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. And 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be 3, so 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 is left in this quadra box for the number 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. Let me see. 4 and a 3, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And a final 2 numbers, the 4 and a 3. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well, told you. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also over by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you tomorrow on Sunday. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.